Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials, which account type you use and that Lunar Client is up to date. Once done, check your network and local security software. Firewall or antivirus often blocks the launcher. Make sure Lunar Client EXE is allowed through Windows Firewall or your third-party AV, then restart the router and your PC. After reboot, open Lunar Client in a fresh state. Do not sign in yet. These first actions remove common external blockers before deeper fixes. Now focus on credentials and cached data because stale tokens cause most login failures. Log out of every Minecraft session, then attempt signing into your Microsoft or Mojang account separately via a browser to confirm credentials. Next, close Lunar Client and clear its cache folder in %appdata%. Lunar Client plus temp files. This forces token refresh. If Windows Credential Manager has saved Lunar entries, remove them and retry sign-in. These steps refresh authentication state and fix corrupted tokens. For final repairs, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall Lunar Client, delete leftover folders in %appdata% and program files, then install the latest build. Make sure Java and GPU drivers are current only if required, and disable VPNs or proxies that can interfere with authentication. If login still fails, open Lunar Client logs and copy error codes. That information speeds support or forum help. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different network or mobile hotspot. If it works, the issue is ISP or router level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.